Hello, this is Carla Dalton, and this screen recording is of my EDTC 5370 Capstone project for Tarleton State University. For my project, I did a course design for the Engineering Technology Department at Tarleton State University, specifically for Dr. Gloria Fragoso's Quality Management course. So I'm just going to walk you through what I did for her course. The first thing I did was I started in Blackboard, and the problem was that the courses were not organized similarly from course to course. And so the department chair for the Engineering Technology Department, Dr. George Mullock, he hired me to standardize the courses. So I started in Blackboard, and the first thing that I did was the first page, he wanted it to be just an introductory page that has the syllabus and the learning modules as a content folder, and so I did that. If you look at the information on the left side, he wanted it just really generic. Wanted an assignments, discussions, and exams. Those were the three deliverables that were going to be done in this course. So let me click on the learning modules. In the learning modules, these are soft chalk modules, and before they were titled by the chapter in the book. So the first module would be Chapter 1, and then Chapter 2, and so on. He wanted to make sure it would stay independent of the textbooks so that if the textbooks changed, they wouldn't have to do a lot of changing inside the course. They might just have to change the syllabus. So starting with the modules, Module 1, 2, 3, and 4, then we move on to the exam. So he wanted the exam to be right after the module, the last module that was covered on the exam, so I just added those in. Okay, so to give you an example of what I had to do in soft chalk, I'm going to click on Module 6. In Module 6, you can see an example of what I did with the soft chalk lessons. He wanted the style, he wanted it to be a purple header so that it matches Tarleton State University. Up here at the title and the subtitle, the title, he wanted the title of the course, and in the subtitle, Module 6 instead of Chapter 6. Each of the modules start off with an introduction, and then the learning outcomes. Notice that I tried to put space in between so that it makes each section stand out. Similarly, the tab is spaced appropriately. On the assignments, if there was a video that they needed to watch, I went ahead and added a widget. Before, they had it as just a WMV file, and from past experience, those are hard to open. Not all students are able to open them on all of their devices, so I uploaded them to YouTube and then provided the link and the widget. Also, if there was a case study that they had to read out of the textbook, I hyperlinked it here so that they could get it straight from the module, and if the textbook changed, at least the case studies are still there. At the end, we decided that we wanted the assignment or the deliverable, they wanted it in a different font color, so it kind of stood out to the student that that is something that they need to turn in. And then at the end of the module, the please observe the following. It's the same in all the modules on how to submit a discussion and how to submit an assignment section. And then each module had some sort of activity that the students had to do, and so we added that in as well. So that's a real short and sweet version of what I did in Blackboard and also in soft chalk. If you look back in Blackboard, in the grade center, that was something that I worked with as well to give them a running total for the different category averages. So that is what I did for Dr. Fregoso's Quality Management course for Engineering Technology. Thank you for this opportunity, and I hope you liked what I did.